Have you ever wondered how the world's third largest bird, the cassowary, is faring in this rapidly changing world? In the heart of Australia's tropical rainforests, there thrives an intriguing creature, a bird that seems almost prehistoric with its vibrant blue face and a helmet-like crest. This is the cassowary, a bird so unique it's been called a living dinosaur. Cassowaries play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They're considered keystone species in our rainforests. Their penchant for fruit eating helps with dispersal of seeds, effectively regenerating the forest. Not just a marvel of nature, the cassowary is also deeply woven into the fabric of indigenous culture. Their feathers, eggs, and meat have been utilized for centuries, and their spiritual significance remains intact amongst many communities. Yet, this magnificent bird is now classified as a threatened species. Its survival is hanging by a thread as it navigates a world that's rapidly changing. Sadly, these fascinating birds are under threat, but what are these threats exactly? The cassowaries are under siege, and the culprits are closer than you might think. These unique birds are facing a myriad of threats, each one more daunting than the last. Foremost, habitat loss due to deforestation has left them homeless, adrift in a world that's rapidly changing. Then, there's the spectre of climate change, an unseen enemy that's altering their rainforest habitats. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns pose a severe threat to the cassowaries' survival. But the danger doesn't stop there. Even the roads that crisscross their habitats are deadly, with vehicle strikes claiming a tragic number of cassowary lives each year. These challenges are not isolated issues. They are interconnected, each one exacerbating the other, creating a perilous environment for these magnificent birds. But it's not all doom and gloom. Amidst these threats, there's a glimmer of hope, a chance for change. These threats are dire and immediate, but there's a silver lining. Determined minds are banding together to pull the cassowary back from the brink of extinction. Across Australia, a quiet revolution is taking place. Conservationists, scientists, and local communities are uniting in a common cause, a mission to safeguard the future of the cassowary. Their strategies are as varied as they are innovative. Habitat restoration is a key initiative. By replanting native vegetation, we're not only providing the cassowary with homes, but also ensuring they have a rich supply of food. This goes hand in hand with the creation of wildlife corridors, allowing these magnificent birds to move freely and safely between habitats. Climate change mitigation is another battleground in this fight for survival. Efforts are underway to reduce carbon emissions, protect carbon-rich forests, and promote sustainable practices that will help shield the cassowary from the worst impacts of a warming planet. Education is crucial too. Community programs are spreading the word about the cassowary's plight, fostering a sense of stewardship and inspiring the next generation of conservationists. And there are success stories. From the thriving populations in regenerated forests to the enthusiastic participation in community conservation efforts, these victories are milestones on the road to recovery. Yet the work is far from over. Each victory brings new challenges, and each challenge demands our continued commitment and action. The fight to save the cassowary is a long one, but it's a fight we cannot afford to lose. These efforts give us hope, but they also remind us of the urgency of the situation. You might wonder, what can I do to help the cassowary? It's easier than you think. Every action you take, whether it's donating to a conservation fund, volunteering your time, or even just talking about the cassowary's plight with your friends and family, can make a significant impact. No act is too small when it comes to saving these iconic rainforest birds. So let's do our part. Together we can ensure a future where the cassowary continues to thrive in the wild.